Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for another edition of Soldering in Real Time with Grizzly Glass Art. Are you a new artist struggling with solder and just need a zoomed in video seeing how another artist solders their stained glass? Are you interested in learning how to make stained glass and never soldered before in your life? Are you still just watching because whoever this is that's talking to you right now sounds like he probably maybe knows what he's talking about? If you answered yes to any of those options, then boy do I have the video for you. I am 100% a visual learner, but struggled to find simple visual aids of other artists soldering in real time that weren't overly edited, or zoomed out so the artist was also in the frame, or hidden within a 30-minute long video. Ain't nobody got time for that. So here's a video of me just melting solder onto copper foil that already has gel flux brushed onto it. These lines are not perfect. I'm not at all great at soldering, in my opinion, but I am improving with every project I create. I think that's the biggest takeaway for new artists. If you're like me and never soldered before starting your stained glass journey, it's pretty intimidating. Your lines are not going to look great, but you will progress over time. If you don't believe me, look back at something you made even 2 to 3 months ago. I am legitimately embarrassed of some of the art pieces I made when I first started out in 2024. But I do not go back and change them. Instead, I treat them like time capsules, showing what my skill level was at that point in history. If you're a new artist, you probably have a ton of questions. At least I did. Just so you know, I try to respond to all comments because that was a huge bummer for me when I started out. I would ask questions on social media videos and never get responses. So here are some of my deets in case you were wondering. I solder at 410 degrees. My soldering iron is the Hakko FX601. I use Canfield solder, Tiger's Eye gel flux. I hold my soldering iron similar to a pencil or paintbrush. I make ugly solder lines until I go back at the end to clean them all up. And I'm a Gemini. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tap the follow button if you enjoy seeing stained glass art get created one process at a time, with tips, tricks, and tutorials sprinkled into the mix. And if you're a new artist, I highly encourage you to just ask questions, reach out, and make new friends.